Hi, hello my dear children. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to continue simple equation exercise 4.1 sum number 4. Write equations for the following statements. Already we have done the same model sum in the examples. Okay, now we'll continue doing this sum. First sum is the sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. And let us recall the corresponding signs for the terms. And what is the sign for sum? Plus. Sum of, here adding we need two numbers. What are the numbers? X and 4 is means equals 9. Now you can write the answer. X plus 4 is equal to 9. So the answer is x plus 4 equals 9. Now second question. 2 subtracted from y is 8. So for subtraction you need two numbers. One number should be big, the other number should be small. So you have to select the big number. You have to write in the correct order. Then only the subtraction sum will be correct. In addition you can change the order, but in subtraction you should not change the order of the numbers. Okay. So how to select the big number? After the word from, whatever number comes, that is the big number. So this from separates the big number and the small number. So this word, after the word from, what comes? The y. So this is the big number. And before, what is subtracted? 2. So this is the small number. Minus. Is means equal. Okay, is, gives, take, gets means equal. So first big number, you straight away write the answer. Y minus 2 is equal to 8. Isn't it? And now next. 10 times a number is 70. Come on, let us recall. Times means what operation? Multiplication. Good. Times means multiplication. 10 times a. The number is denoted by the letter a. Is means equals. What? 70. So 10. 10 times. 4 times a is 4. 3 times a, 4 times a is 4a. 3 times a is 3a. The same way 10 times a is 10a, or you can write 10 into a also. So 10 into a is what? 10a is the left hand side and the right hand side is 70. 10 times a is 70. The next one. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. So for division, you can write two ways. Suppose you are writing 10 divided by 2. You can write as a division statement, or you can write in the form of a fraction. Both are same. All of you know that, isn't it, children? So let us write in the fraction form. Answer. What? Which number? Which is the dividend? B is the dividend. By what you are dividing the divisor? 5. So B is the dividend. You have to select this. And by 5 you are dividing. So this is the divisor. Therefore, we will write the answer as what? It's what? B. The number is B. You can write B divided by 5 is equal to 6, or B by 5 is equal to 6. Is it clear? Now next. 3/4 of t is 15. And 3/4 means it is a fraction. 3 by 4. 2/3, that means 2 by 3, it is a fraction. 1/3, 1 by 3, it is a fraction, isn't it? And half, that means 1 by 2. A quarter means 1 by 4. So for denoting the fractions, in words, we will be in writing like this. Okay. So 3/4 of t. 3/4 of t means 3/4 of t. That is equal to what? Of means what operation? This is multiplication. 3/4 into t. So there is 3t by 4. Is it clear how we are translating? So 3/4 means 3/4 is the name of a fraction. Of means multiplication. What are we multiplying? 3/4 and t. So this is equal to 3t by 4. Okay. So that is means what symbol? Equal. So now you can write the answer as 3/4 t is equal to 5. 3/4 of t, 3/4 t or 3t by 4 is equal to 5. That is the answer. Now next sum, 7 times. 7 times means what, children? 7 into m. 7 into m is 7m. Okay. Thrice means 3 times. Twice means 2 times. The same way 7 times m means 7 into m. Plus you are adding. And what? 7. You are adding 7 times m and 7. Gets you. Gets you. Means what? Equal. What do you get? 77. So the answer is 7m plus 7 is equal to 77. Is it clear, children? Now we will move to sum number 7. Seventh sum. One-fourth of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Okay, 1/4 of a number, and all of you know 1/4 is the name of a fraction. The other word for 1/4 is what? Quarter. Okay, so 1/4 of a number. What is that number? X. So 1/4 of a number is 1/4 of x. That is equal to 1/4 into x. That is equal to x by 4. And what is the operation? What? Minus. Means this subtraction symbol. 4. What are you subtracting? 4. From 1/4 of a number you are subtracting 4. And gives. Gives means equal. It gives you what? 4. Okay. This is the way you have to translate and write. Now the answer 4x by 4. X by 4. Then what symbol? Minus 4 gives means equal 4. Okay. Now next question, 8th question. If you take away from 6 times a number six times the number y, you get 60. subtraction. What are you taking away? The 6. This is a small number. Okay. And from 6 times y. 6 times means into. 6 into y is equal to 6y. And this is the big number. Is it clear? Take away from 6y you are taking 6. Okay. So what is the answer? 6y minus 6 is equal to 16. Okay. Now the last sum number 9. That is, if you add if you add 3 to 1/3 of, what are you adding? 3. You are adding 3 to 1/3 of z. Z is the number. What do you get? You get 30. So what operation you are doing here? Addition. Which numbers you are adding? 3 and 1/3 of z. So 1/3 of z is what? 1/3 into z, that is z by 3. Children, without writing this step, you can, if you know 1/3 of z is z by 3, then you can write it off. Okay, no need to write this step. This I am writing for you to understand clearly. So now what is the answer? For addition, you can write in any order. So you are adding 1/3 of a number, that is z by 3 plus 3. What do you get? Equal 30. Is it clear, children? I think you may have understood all these sums, children. And if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, and I'll clarify the doubt. Thank you, children. God bless you all. Take care of your health.